A very good morning to the Master of Chairperson, Honorable Judges, Precise Timekeeper, fellow ministers, opposition members, and last but not least, members of the floor. The motion for today is a law should be introduced as a way to punish netizens on the act of cyberbullying remarks. In order to further understand the motion, allow me to provide the definition of the keywords in the motion. According to the Oxford Dictionary, law refers to a rule established among a community by authority or custom. Introduced means to bring into use or into the system. Punish means to cause an offender to suffer for his offense. Netizens refers to a user of the internet, especially a habitual or keen one. Act means something done. Cyberbullying is defined as the use of electronic communication to bully a person. Remarks are defined as a written or spoken comment, anything that is said. In other words, the motion for today requires us to discuss why there should be a law to punish people who commit cyberbullying. That will be our perimeter for today's debate. Ladies and gentlemen, an argument will not be complete without a base. So, our case line for today is a law should be introduced as a way to punish netizens on the act of cyberbullying remarks, because cyberbullying has taken a toll on people's lives. With all that made clear, allow me to get to my first argument. Ladies and gentlemen, should cyberbullying be treated as a crime? Yes. Crime by definition means the intentional act of commission usually deemed socially harmful or dangerous, and specifically defined, prohibited, and punishable under criminal law. Although there hasn't been a proper law for cyberbullying, hence why this House believes that a proper law should be introduced. Cyberbullying may not have caused physical injuries, but that doesn't take away the fact that it has taken a toll on people's lives who have been cyberbullied. If we go back to the definition of crime that I have mentioned, it is said that crime is an act that is socially harmful or dangerous. Cyberbullying has done damage to the victims, such as lowering their self-esteem and ruining their mental health, that caused someone to be depressed or anxious. And this can lead to an even serious issue, which is suicide. Research I did on the internet about cyberbullying has revealed that this malicious act had resulted from victims taking their own life. And though cyberbullying can happen to anyone, the youth suicide rate due to cyberbullying is higher. Teenagers are most affected by cyberbullying. I found a statistic on this website, wikipedia.org, stated that a study has found that 75% of adolescents that have been cyberbullied presented with higher suicidal ideation than those who have experienced verbal bullying. Though introducing a law for cyberbullying won't completely stop this malicious act, but we can give justice to the victim by punishing their cyberbullies. And we can also hope that there will be a decrease in cyberbullying. Cyberbullying is wrong and harmful. Therefore, a law should be introduced to punish those who committed this act. People should be held accountable for harassing others online. Harassment is harassment, no matter in what form it may take, and cyberbullying has disrupted the lives of so many. Ladies and gentlemen, going into my next argument, as time goes by, The world is constantly evolving, and so is our science and technology. Living in the 21st century, we are familiar with the uses of modern gadgets in our daily life, and this includes mobile phones, computers, iPads, and etc. The existence of these gadgets allows us to surf the internet as we like, and there is no doubt that the internet has benefited us with information of all sorts of things. However, not everything is as perfect as it seems. While electronic gadgets are means for us to communicate with people, it has also become a tool and platform for cyberbullying. Cyberbully, by definition, is someone who uses the internet to harm or frighten another person. There hasn't been any specific law to deal with cyberbullying, although some countries have some legislation on cybersecurity. I understand that the internet is a vast network and it is a place where people can drop their opinions. However, that is not an excuse to misuse the internet. People who use the internet should be responsible and cautious at all times. Everyone is free to express their opinions, but there should be a line to what extent people can go. The internet should be a safe place for everyone, and people should feel comfortable and not threatened online. Hence, that is why there should be a law for cyberbullying to make the internet a safer place and punish those who disrupt the peace and people's lives. Ladies and gentlemen, we can clearly see the relevance in our argument to support our motion for today. Cyberbullying is just as serious as any other form of bullying, and therefore a law should be introduced. Before I leave the stand, allow me to repeat the case line for today. A law should be introduced as a way to punish netizens on the act of cyberbullying remarks, because cyberbullying has taken a toll on people's lives. Thank you.